In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order food in New York. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use any of the available food delivery services in New York and how to place an order. For this video, I'm gonna be showcasing Uber Eats, but like I said, there are multiple food delivery services available, such as DoorDash. You just have to choose one that you prefer, and you will be able to sign up and start using it. The process is roughly the same across all of them, so as long as you apply the logic that I'm going to be showing in this video for Uber Eats on any of the other food delivery services, you will be good to go. So first, you will have to sign up to use this respective service. They will ask for either a phone number or an email address, and there will be some sort of confirmation. Either it's a code sent to your email or an SMS. After you confirm and you sign up for the service, you will be able to download their mobile app and sign into your account. You can also start the sign up process directly from the app. So once you open the app for Uber Eats, DoorDash, or any of the other food delivery services available, you will have to set up your location. You can search for an address or just enable location permissions and it will automatically get your location. Once this is set up, you are good to go. Immediately, all the featured restaurants near you are going to be listed, and everything that is listed here is going to be available in your region. You can get groceries, you can sort through them by category, so you have sushi, pizza, summer, alcohol, Chinese, and so on. It is extremely simple and there are plenty of options. Once you find a restaurant that satisfies you, you will be able to open it up to see the catalog and the menu, and you just have to tap the plus sign to add items to your cart. Everything is very customizable, so usually they will give you these options here for you to customize your order, and after everything has been added to your cart, you will be able to proceed to checkout. So right now I have 2 carts here for these specific restaurants, and I just have to proceed to checkout. You can manage your order, remove items, add more additional items. You can ask for utensils like straws and so on, add custom notes, and afterwards just choose from one of the many available payment methods. You will receive your order on the address that you set up at the start, and it is super convenient to order. I hope I was able to help you on how to order food in New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.